If you are planning a wedding and are having trouble picturing how your decorations will look, in this video, I will show you how to create a realistic wedding tablescape mockup using Canva. And this is where my template comes into making things easier. Instead of searching for every single element, my template already includes tablecloths, charger plates, napkins, forks, glasses, chairs, menus, candles, florals, and much more. You can use a square canvas or a presentation size, but for this tablescape mockups, I like using larger canvases so everything is easy to move around. Let's jump into Canva. First, go to canva.com and create a new design. There will be a lot of copying and pasting and going back and forth between pages to choose the element that you want. First, we'll choose the first element we want from the template, which will be a white tablecloth. I'll copy it and paste it onto this new page. Next, I'm going to choose the chairs that I want to add to this design. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy it and then paste it to the new page. I'm just going to resize the chairs. Next, I'm going to adjust the size of the chairs so they fit the table a little better. To position the chair behind the table, click on the chair, then click Position, and then select Send to Back. I'm now going to choose florals. I'm going to do the same thing, copy and paste it onto the table. I'm now going to choose candles and do the same thing, copy and paste it onto the table. I also like to include a large image of the decor I plan to use so I can get a better idea of how everything will look together. If you want to add your own image, you can copy the image and paste it directly into Canva, or you can save the image to your computer and upload it into Canva. Just a quick note, the background remover is a Canva Pro feature. If you're using the free version, you can save the image to your computer and use a free background remover app, then upload it back into Canva. I also like to do a flat overlay so I can see the full tablescape layout from above. Again, I'm going to copy and paste the tablecloth, but it will be a round flat overlay tablecloth, and I will continue adding decor to the table like charger plates, napkins, menus. Now I am going to resize everything so it fits on the table. Then I'll group the items together. I'm going to duplicate it and add the number of table settings I need. Now we're going to add the florals, the candles, and table number to the table. And now that's it. Now our tablescape mockup is finished. If you would like to purchase this template or any other wedding or bridesmaid templates, please visit Bridal Concessions Etsy shop.